Sat Sri Akal मेरी बहनों, so welcome back to my channel. We are doing a very relaxing video today. What are we doing today? So आज अपन करेंगे we have some Ipsy boxes over here. We have the ultimate fall edition and of course the next month's bag. So I thought, why don't we just make a video? I do affiliate with Ipsy. I am one of their ambassadors. I do also have a discount code which would be in the description below if you want to join the program. I think in this time period where the inflation is really high, actually I've seen the value in these bags because what you get is a pretty good amount, and even if you go for like a full-size subscription, it still works out so much cheaper than buying all these products individually. So let's just go ahead and check these out. As I said, everything regarding the products or the links and the discount codes will be in the description box. Not only just for Ipsy, all other discount codes I have for any other websites, everything would be in the description. So please do check out the description. So let's just go ahead and I'm going to show you guys. This is going to be a really quick chatty video. It's not going to be a super duper long. I'm just going to show you what you're going to get if you do decide to go with the full size membership. So the first thing is the next month's bag. So I'm going to show you this. This is normal, like a monthly bag you get from Ipsy. It can be a bag, sometimes it can be a box, depending what they're sending. So in past few months I received the bags, which is like a normal your monthly subscription. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what you get if you're gonna join now, what you can expect to get in August. So this is the Ipsy August 2026 bag, and you can see it right over here. It says Ipsy 2026. This is what it is. There's quite a few things over here written. It's like a membership, what you get, all of that stuff. Okay, so this is the 5 items I got. All these 5 items are in full size, so this is what you can expect if you do sign up for a full size subscription. So the first thing we have over here is Olaplex number 5 leave-in moisture conditioner. It's just this one. I do have this right now open and I do like it because I have used it in the past. It's a pretty good Olaplex product. I don't like everything from Olaplex, but this particular one is an exception. It's a really good leave-in conditioner. The next one we have is a primer by a brand called Seal, and it's their SPF 30 primer. It's right over here. Again, a full-size product. So it's in this kind of tube right here, and it is their prime and protect. So you can prime your skin and protect it. It is SPF 30. The next one we have is the Laura Geller on and on lashes lengthening mascara for never ending lashes. This is the Laura Geller full size mascara over here. Again, I haven't tried I think I tried the blush from Laura Geller, and also the eyeshadow. The mascara will be the first time. This is the mascara looks like. As I said, it is a full size item. So this is another thing which is full size. Then you have a Delish powder blush duo, and brand is called Delish blush duo. This is how it looks like. Very nice color. I really like the color. If you want to do this new trend which is painted by Esther, and you want to do the dark going to light, diffused it in light, I think you can do a really good combo with this one. I really like this. This is, I think, probably my favorite product so far. And the last but not the least, you have the Ole Henriksen full size pout preserved peptide lip treatment. Again, I love this lip treatment. You'll be surprised to know, among all the lip balms I have tried, especially for winter, I really do like the Ole Henriksen one because it actually hydrates your lip and stays on for very long time. So this is one of my favorites, and I'm glad it came in August bag because, oh, come on, who doesn't need a good lip balm? Winter is for us Canadians, especially the one who lives in Saskatchewan, is literally around the corner. We only have this month of a summer left, and by mid-September, usually the weather changes quite a bit. So these are the full-size 5 items you can expect to get in August, Ipsy August 2026 bag. Right over here, pretty good selection. You have a hair care, you have a makeup, you also have a skincare over here. So that was a pretty good one. Now let me show you what you can expect in Ipsy Ultimate Fall Edition box. So I don't get these Ultimate box all the time. This usually comes based on the season. The last one I got was in a summer, and that was all around products related to summer season. This is going to be more of a fall because it is a fall Ultimate Fall Edition. So this is Ipsy Ultimate Fall Collection. So let me show you that first so you can see. This is literally for fall, and you will notice there's going to be a lot of products which is going to be more of a fall related. So I'm going to show you the box first. This is how it looks. Again, every single item is in full size. So I believe the price for the Ultimate is like the highest thing. So you make your own decision, literally whatever works for you. Now I'm going to just show you what I have over here. As I said before, every single item is in full size. So the first thing I have is a Ilia, the base face milk. You know how long I wanted to try this product. Even when I was working in Sephora, I worked for Sephora for like literally 3 years, almost 3 years. And every day I used to think, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it. But then I was so obsessed with the Rhode one. I don't know why. But you know what, when you're manifesting something out in the universe, things happen. So I wasn't manifesting for this, but I'm glad I got it because I always wanted to try this. I do really like Ilia products. This is more of a milky toner. So if you have tried Pharmacy, if I have to really compare it with Pharmacy, if you tried Pharmacy, it's pretty much kind of like Pharmacy, but a little bit lightweight and thin in texture. But it's really good. It's very popular at Sephora. A lot of people love this and buy it. We also have a full-size Patrick Ta blush, and this one is in shade She's the Moment. And I think I have pretty much every single color of his blush apart from this one. I don't know, it's just things that are like really manifesting for me or something. I don't know, it's like a really nice orangey kind of blush. Really like it. I don't think so I have it. I still have to check my kit though. I don't think so I do, but I'm glad that I got this shade because if I don't have it in my kit, it means I needed it, and again, the universe sent it to me. I'm really into that affirmation, like manifestation mood kind of thing. Okay, the next product we have is a brand called Muta, and it's their all night eye cream, Up All Night Eye Cream. And again, it is right over here, full size item. I'm not gonna open any eye creams yet because I have so many open right now that it would be ridiculous for me to just open another one while I'm still working on the other one and let this one get expired. So as soon as I run out of all the others, I probably will open this. The packaging is so cool, and it has that little pump thing which I love. So this is something probably in a month or so you'll be able to see the review for this. The next one we have is a Salzwang. I hope this is how I pronounce this brand. It's their hair repair treatment. This is how it looks like. It's a treatment for basically it's a mask. It's an intensive hair treatment for damaged and stressed hair, frizz reduction, all of that jazz. So this is, again, I'm really excited about because I'm literally running out of all my hair products. If any brands out there watching, especially if you're a hair brand and you're watching this video and you want me to try your product and give it my honest review, no like any bullshit or anything, so people actually trust and buy, please reach out to me because I really need more hair brands in my list now at this point. Okay, so this is something I'm glad. Thank you so much. I will be trying this very soon. The next thing we have is a Beauty Bio Swipe and Glow Peel Pads. Okay, the next thing we have is a Merit. Thing we have over here is the Merit lip oil right over here. Very nice shade. Again, I do like Merit and I have a lot of products from Merit and I obsess with this brand. And I'm glad I got it because who doesn't need a good lip oil in winter? You need everything in winter for hydration. Last but not the least, we have a Makeup by Mario mascara. Okay, another mascara over here. So at this point, I should really go through all my opened mascaras and just throw away the one I opened a year ago, and I still haven't used them much, and there's still a lot left in there. There you go. We have a Makeup by Mario mascara over here as well in full size. So this is the end of the fall box. This is what you can get in Ultimate Fall Collection if you sign up for this box. This is a pretty good because, oh, I forgot one product. We also have REL Beauty 3-piece brush set over here. Okay, so as I was saying, this is a pretty good set, pretty good box because you get everything in full size, and you have a lot of really good products over here. The brand, it's not like the brands you never heard of or anything, like well-known, renowned brands available in Sephora and everywhere else. So it is a pretty good value. If you think about it, if you go and buy all these products individually, it's gonna work out way more than what you pay for the box. So it does work out really well. So this is what you're gonna get in Ipsy August 2026, or if you go for a Ipsy Fall Ultimate Collection, these are the type of items you can expect. They do have other items, so don't just expect you're gonna get exactly the same box. You might get other variations as well because they do have a lot of other things in their fall collection. It could be one of these items too. It doesn't have to be exactly what I received, but you do have other options over here as well. Same goes for the monthly subscription. It's not always guaranteed that you're going to get exactly the same thing what you see in my bag, because they do have other products over here as well. So but you're going to get one of these items which is on the flyer, or what you see in my bag as well. So this is what concludes the Ipsy unboxing. So if you want to see like any more Ipsy unboxing for future months, let me know in the comments so I know to make this video regularly, so you can see what I receive and what you can expect. And again, all the details regarding the membership, subscription, discount codes will be in the description, so you can check it out at your own convenience. Okay, so this just ends all our Ipsy unboxing, and I will see you guys next time with another tutorial very soon. There would be 2 videos coming next week, a skincare and a makeup, lengthy ones alongside the many shorts. So make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave so you don't miss out on any future uploads, okay? And put that bell and notification as well. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.